Welcome to Webstyle Press. Course writing using ChatGPT is very easy. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to write course using ChatGPT. Choose any industry or topic: Python, web development, Excel, ReactJS, SQL, Microsoft Power BI, JavaScript, Unity, Unreal Engine, WordPress, deep learning, software engineering, software testing, data modeling, PHP, investing, Git, SEO, accounting, photography, product management, or any other. You can design a full course from scratch, even if you have zero knowledge about it. Generate course topics, generate course outline, generate course lesson, generate course assignment easily and in few seconds. Let's write course using AI. First, let's generate course topics or ideas. I like to use these lines before my actual prompt. Ignore all previous instructions. Do not use single quotes, double quotes, or any other enclosing characters. Do not self reference and do not explain what you are doing. We will use these lines before each prompt. We are generating course topics or course ideas. For that, we've got some requirements. Requirements are these: voice tone should be creative, writing style should be academic, language should be English, number of topics to generate 10, industry, digital marketing. Here, type the industry that you want to write course about. Education level, secondary. Education level can be primary, middle, secondary, university, BA, BSc, MSc, BBA, MBA, MPhil, MA, BCOM, and so on. Okay, here are our instructions. You are an expert in the industry and create amazing online courses according to the requirement provided. This requirement: generate course topics or ideas for a course in the industry. This industry. All of course ideas should be project based and contain learning modules and activities that will guide students. Only generate the topics for the course and nothing else. Okay. Topics for digital marketing industry. These are 10 topics for course generation in the industry that we selected. Let's pick one topic: influencer marketing strategies. Students are tasked with designing an influencer marketing campaign. Modules cover identifying influencers, outreach strategies, partnership agreements, campaign execution, and result analysis. Let's pick this one. Now let's generate course outline. Ignore all previous instructions. We've got these requirements: voice tone creative, writing style academic, language English, number of sessions 5. You can adjust this number according to your need. So here we will place course topic and education level secondary. Our course topic was this one. These are requirements. Then we have got instructions. You are an expert course creator and curriculum designer. According to the requirement, create a syllabus for number of sessions mentioned on mentioned course topic. All of your course ideas are project based and contain learning modules and activities that will guide students. Only generate the syllabus for the course and nothing else. This prompt will generate course outline. Course outline for this course topic was generated. Session 1: Identifying influencers. Study of various social media platforms to understand their unique demographics and user behavior. Methodologies to discover relevant influencers using manual research and software tools. Critical analysis of influencer metrics such as follower count, engagement rates, and content quality. Activity: create a list of potential influencers for a mock brand in groups. Session 2: crafting outreach strategies, examination of various outreach methods from emails to direct social media messages, tips for personalization outreach messages and addressing influencers in a respectful and engaging manner, overview of best practices in maintaining communication records, activity, draft a compelling outreach message for one of the identified influencers. Similarly, Session 3 Formulating Partnership Agreements. Session 4 Executing the Influencer Marketing Campaign. Session 5 Analyzing Campaign Results. Now, these are 5 sessions as we requested based on this course topic. So, we've got the outline for the course topic. Now, let's generate course lesson. Now consider these sessions are lessons. These are 5 lessons. So let's take this lesson and expand on it. Basically generate course lesson from this outline. To do that, we will use same words that we used before the prompt to ignore all previous instructions. These are our requirements: voice tone creative, writing style academic, language English, number of modules 6, course topic and course lesson. So course topic was selected before. It was this: influencer marketing strategies. Students are tasked with designing an influencer marketing campaign. Modules cover identifying influencers, outreach strategies, partnership agreements, campaign execution, and result analysis. And course lesson was this: identifying influencers. So this is requirement. Now for the instructions. These are our instructions. You are an expert course creator and curriculum designer. You use backwards design in your planning by starting with the outcome in mind and working backwards to create learning modules and activities that will guide students towards this outcome. All of your courses are project based. According to the requirement, create a course lesson plan for the mentioned course lesson. The course is on the mentioned course topic. The lesson plan should be descriptive with the real world examples and activities. Include discussion questions and ways to expand learning. Only generate the lesson plan. Alright, here it is. Course lesson. Identifying influencers. Module number 1, Introduction to Influencer Identification. Learning objectives. Understand the role of influencers across different social media platforms. Activity. Watch case studies of successful influencer marketing campaigns on platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Analyze their demographics and user behaviors. Discussion questions. How do demographics and user behaviors differ between these platforms? How does an influencer's platform choice impact their content and audience? Expanding learning. Assign research on an emerging social media platform and its potential for influencer marketing. Now it is module 2, Tools and Methodologies for Influencer Discovery. Discussion questions. Module 3, Understanding Influencer Metrics. Discussion questions. Module 4, Building a List of Potential Influencers. Discussion questions. Module 5, Evaluating Influencers Fit. Discussion questions. Module 6. So these are 6 modules according to our requirement. We mentioned number of modules should be 6, and we provided course topic and course lesson. To generate course lesson plan. Similarly, we can use session 2, session 3, and so on, and generate lesson plans. Okay, now let's generate course assignment. Ignore all previous instructions. Our requirements are these: voice tone creative, writing style academic, language English, number of assignments 2. Change this number according to your requirement. Course topic, education level secondary. Our course topic was this: influencer marketing strategies. Now, here are the instructions. You are an expert course creator and curriculum designer. According to the requirement, create assignments for mentioned course topic, for mentioned education level on course topic. Include the list of assignments in a markdown table. And here is assignment number 1, assignment title: Identifying and Profiling Influencers. Description: research and identify 5 influencers from different social media platforms who you believe could be a good fit for a given brand to be assigned in class. Create a comprehensive profile for each, including their follower count, engagement rate, demographics of their audience, and examples of previous partnership campaigns. Assignment number 2, designing an influencer marketing campaign. Use one of the influencers from assignment 1 and create a detailed influencer marketing campaign. The campaign should include an outreach strategy, proposed partnership agreement, a campaign execution plan detailing the type of content, posting frequency, and promotional strategies, and a method for tracking and analyzing campaign results. So we generated course topic, we generated course outline, and we then generated course lesson. And not just that, we also generated course assignments. So even if you don't have any idea about it, you can generate any course easily using ChatGPT by using this method. In the video description, you can find the prompts used in this video to generate a course. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.